Was waiting for this all day. Because there's the sun. And there's the rainbow.
Over the rainbow.
Auf Arbeit bin ich vorsichtig bei sowas. Das macht.
Nur fürs Geschenk auspacken.
Genau. Schick. Dieses Jahr. Erstes Geschenk.
It's about time. Hi, welcome to the vlog. It's Sunday, and even though I only had these bad boys in for 2 weeks, I'm taking them out right now. I don't know what it is with my dreadlocks lately, like the last 2 times I had them in, also with the green ones, but my hair, I don't know if it has breakage or anything, but my baby hair is sticking out like crazy after only a week, which it didn't before. Maybe that's a sign that my hair needs a longer break from dreadlocks. I love the look, but the inconvenience is too big. So let's take them out. Four episodes of Hunter x Hunter later. This is always really fun. I haven't had a Coke in ages because I can't handle caffeine. But since it's early in the day, I'll try it. Oh god, I can't speak anymore. It's so sweet. Nimm die Axt und hack alle Bäume ab. Oh! War sie das? Ja. Hey, Sandra! Hi! Oh! Look at you! Hast du gerade einen Pfirsich fallen lassen? Ja. Das macht mich so glücklich. I have the weird feeling that I haven't filmed anything interesting at all today. It's a normal Sunday, I guess. Let's see what the week will bring, right? Okay. Good night.
To start out, you can find any
Can't do this on my elbow. How is he doing this? Hello there, sir. Did you get lost? Have I even talked to you today? My face looks weirdly red. Why does it look so red? It isn't that red. See? The only productive thing I've done today was finally finishing banana fish. But now I got a wave of motivation. I got a wave. I caught a wave. I just got motivated all of a sudden. And guess what I'm trying? I'm trying one of these acrylic on glass anime things because my sister Emilia really likes them. I think they're pretty stupid because it's fucking glass and you're just copying a picture. But I think that's the only thing I'm capable of doing today. I'm going to paint this sweet, sweet boy. And yeah, I'm painting him in black and white because I only have black and white acrylic paints and I didn't want to go buy other colors because I almost never draw or paint with acrylics. Okay, so I started outlining with my edding, but this looks rather shit and I'm wondering if it would be better if I just don't do it with a marker at all, but start with black acrylic paint from the get-go, because I'm way better with brushes than with this thick ass tip. And then I can draw in all the small little details as well, because you're supposed to start with the details. But first I have to clean off all the marker stuff that I already did. Wow. I almost cracked my glass because my thingy broke. It didn't break. I just made it too loose and it fell down. And that's the reason why I always secure my camera on this little screw here. But it almost fell onto the glass, and that's metal, you guys. That's solid metal and it would have destroyed it, but it landed right there. I have to go to the registration office today because I need a new ID, and I just hope that this will be over in not more than 15 minutes. That would be so nice because I don't want to leave the flat today, but I have to. Finally finished the outlines. Ta!
Alles gut?
Mhm.
Was machst du?
Pet.
Oh, rasiert sieht der so gut aus.
Guess what we found on YouTube? Die zoomt so langsam, wenn ich filme. The Given Movie. Dieser Joghurt ist das Einzige, was mich an einer Spätschicht durchhalten lässt. Ich freue mich immer auf mein Pudding.
Wie geht's mir mit meinem Kaffee? Ne?
Oh, nicht mehr lange, nur eine Stunde, dann kannst du deinen Pudding essen. Das ist richtig erbärmlich.
Letzte Woche Donnerstag habe ich den vergessen, dann war die Laune gleich.
Scheiße. Good morning! I really have the feeling that I haven't done much this week so far, but yesterday I worked a late shift. But today I don't work a late shift. That means that I will have time in the afternoon to finally continue on my glass painting project. I have 45 minutes left until I have to leave for work, so I guess I just start painting. Hallo, eine Woche später.
Dem Motto, das war's so. Und aber mit dieser Aussage, dass da keine, das haben sie mir zum Schluss gesagt, oder hat mit
Well, I started this little project just for fun and I wanted to see how this will turn out, and now I am almost working on it for a week and I barely managed to finish anything of it. I finally did all the black parts. When you hold it against the light you can see how patchy it is. I'm now putting this on my light box and see where the holes are in the paint and fill them in.
I've been just watching it. It's about this group of people. It's kind of, it's a comedy. It's very light-ish.
I don't know if I ever talked about it in detail, what I actually do for a living, like as my day job, but I work in a warehouse for medicine, basically. So we bring all the stuff to the pharmacies and I handle the really hard drugs, and every time you have one of those an expiration date that's too short, you have to call the pharmacy and tell them and ask if they want to have it or not. Most of the time they are very nice, but sometimes there are people who want like discounts, which I cannot give because I'm not the person who makes the prices. Then there are people who like, can you call me later? And I'm like, no, I'm in a time crunch, I have to do this now, I can't like push it back. And then there are people who like, yeah, we take it, and then they call back and say, the expiration date is too like short and why have you sent this to us and yada yada yada, and I'm the dumb one. And today I had to call very often and this was very exhausting and stressful. But yeah, now I'm done and I'm going home for the weekend. It's done. I finished. Looks cool, right? I won't show you the end result because you will see the end result in next week's video. So you have to come back to my channel. You can subscribe down there. I would really appreciate it. So see you next week for anime glass painting. Yay!